15 shoot. Mr. Mario. Pass to Mr. Number 16. No good rebound by number 16. Hindi na ulit. Good ball by number 16. Mr. Lincoln on the ball pass to 15 shoot. To Mr. Barreto. To Mr. Buena Tinira. No good. Rebound by Mr. Rabanes. Good ball by Mr. Rabanes. Ready to join number 20 out of bounds.
Yun yung nakalaban mo ah.
Yan nga yung nakalaban namin.
Mr. Barreto.
Talo sila.
15 to shoot. To Mr. Buena. Good for 2.
Si Robert. Paninis.
Mr. Barrio. 15 to shoot. To number 12. Good for 2 by number 12.
Senior na pala sila yun.
Mr. Barreto. Pass to number 25, Itira. Good for 2 by number 25. Mr. Barrio, 15 to shoot. Pass to number 16. Good for 2 by number 16. Mr. Barreto. Pass to Mr. Lincoln. Tumali sa 3. No good. Rebound by number 12. Pass to number 16. Good for 2 by number 16. Official score 10 exactly. Mr. Barreto sa 3. 3 points by Mr. Barreto. Number 12. Pass to number 23. No good. Rebound by number 16. Good ball to by number 16. Mr. Barreto. Pass to Mr. Buena. Good ball to by Mr. Buena.
Harang.
Remaining time 4 minutes and 50 seconds. The score 13-10 in favor of BGS. 15 to shoot. No good. Rebound by Mr. Barreto. Dumale. No good. Number 12. Traveling violation.
Kanina ka pala. Alas 7.
Number 25. No good. Number 12. Steal by Mr. Buena. Good for 2 by Mr. Buena. Lobat nga yung speed. Number 30. Good for 2 by Mr. Mario. Pupunta sa ilog yung ola. Ayun. Ano kasi ninyo? Mr. Lincoln. Pass to Mr. Barreto. Mr. Barreto. 15 to shoot. Sa 3. No. Rebound by number 0. Number 0. Good for 2 by number 0. Official score 15-14 in favor of BGS. 15 to shoot. Mr. Lincoln dumali sa 3. No good. And out.
Nakikita ko yung mga...
Mr. Barrio. Good ball to by Mr. Barrio.
Ano yung
Change
kuya
favor.
ko?
16-15 in favor of Looban.
Ay,
Isa pa
nag-uwi
rin
na
ako.
kasi yun kasi kanina.
the ball. Kick. Ten to shoot, Mr. Deacon. Good ball to by Mr. Deacon.
Yan eh, inang ko ba? Hindi ko na pinainom mo daw.
15 to shoot.
Di ba nga eh,
Ayun siya. Mr. Barreto to Mr. Deacon. No good. Rebound by Mr. Barreto. Mr. Barreto. Pass to Mr. 25. Good ball to.
Kaya daw yung
Remaining time. 2 minutes.
Ate Ula.
Change it.
Ay, para daw ito magsimula.
Mr. Rivares.
Bading?
Parang hulugan. Number 12.
Bading!
Good ball to by number 12.
Ay pa!
Loaded. Rebound by number 12. Para sa number 30.
Hey! Ikiklaim ko.
To number 16. Tumira sa tres. 3 points by number 16. Mr. Deacon. Dumali sa tres. No, 3. Mr. Deacon. Sorry po, judgmental yan. Sorry. Mr. Henman. Remaining time, 55 seconds. Logan. Rebound by Mr. Buena. Pass to Mr. Rivares to Mr. Barreto. Mr. Barreto. Pass to Pau. Who's ball rep? Number 12. It's your first personal foul. First, team foul. Remaining time, 41 seconds.
Ay, tawag ka nun.
Good for one by Mr. Buena. Mr. Buena for your second. Good for one again. Sino sa shot mo sa laro ng basketball? Mr. Buena. Wala sa management. 15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. No good. Rebound by number 0. Good ball to by number 16. Remaining time, 15 seconds. No good.
Ay, naku.
End of the first quarter. Vision score at 20.
Ano lumanod ng bakit pabalik-balik? Ano ba?
Mr. William Noah. 15 to shoot. Mr. Buena. To Mr. William Noah. To Mr. Caprende. Good ball to.
Malinis yun!
Malinis! Malinis! Saan galing ang rin ang friend ko? Hindi, away.
Umar! Sa puti!
Out of bounds. Hindi pa pagkatuwala. Ninyo. No good. Good ball to. Mr. Malinis. Fifteen shoot. Number 12 has Mr. Mario. 10 to shoot. Good ball to by Mr. Mario.
Yan na! Tao ka din eh. Tao mo uwi.
It's all right. 27, your first personal foul. First, team foul.
Ang dami ng balog na inom yan.
Withdrawing in
Ang dami ng balog na inom.
No good. Remember this serving applause. This serving applause. No good. Rebound by number 23. Pass to number 27 to number 30. Pass to number 12. With power winning serving unit.
Hindi mo tinawagin eh.
I think we can. No good. Fifteen shoot. No good. Rebound by number 22. Pass to shoot. No good. Rebound by number 12. Pass to shoot. No good. Rebound by Steer. Number 22. Mr. Palin takes our first personal foul. First, team foul. Matanda daw po yung tubig na lagay ng audience doon. Baka sila. Management. Hindi tayo nakakas. Announcement po para sa third place, 90,000 na po. Sa fourth place ay 80. Okay. 15 shoot. 3 point Manalo. 97.
Marami ako eh. Sige! Tira si Kim! Ay!
No good. Number 30. Tumalas na direct. No good. Rebound by number 20. Itinila. Rebound 2. Change favor. 33, 32 in favor of. Well. Sinay tayo hindi nanood. Nakapag-chismisan na. 15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Barrios, Santos. No good. Rebound by Mr. Palina. Pastor. 50. Wala. Chang, tumalo na yan, Chang. Number 30. Pastor. Number 20, itinira. Wala na chance.
Vegas! Shit naman na eh! Wala
Ika-prete. Personalizar meron na. 15. Number 27 is for the second personal foul, second team foul. Isa rin ka-prete. Mr. Parines. Pastor Logo, rebound by Buena. Good ball by Mr. Buena.
Gano'n ka pa pa ulit?
Shout out Moses Homer for Valencia. Maybe. Para sa Nicole Blue.
Tapos! Ito, yan!
Pinasa kay Mario.
Bukay doon! Bumawi!
15 shoot. Good ball right over. 15. 17.
Ay, 7-7.
Hindi pa sila nag-PGS niya.
Second foul.
Wala, ito yung inuman daw, inuman.
Good ball by number 20. Love it. Good ball by Mr. Mario. Mr. Mario. Pinasa kay Bilonet. Good ball 2. Change favor. 39-30. 15 to shoot.
Tapos! Ay!
Good ball by Mr. Buena.
Ay, wala ka ba?
Wala ka na yung shoot. 10 to shoot. Good. Good ball by number 7. Pass to Mr. Nerona.
Takaw mo naman uwi!
Good ball by Mr. Buena. Remaining time, 55 seconds. 2 years. And 32 hours. Good. Rebound by number 25. Put Lumale. Good ball.
Takaw mo uwi!
Remaining time, 30 seconds. Good ball. Make sure that
Ayaw mo pa sabihin na kailangan ko kanina.
Katabi mo ay, hindi sinasabihan!
Ayaw nyo.
Ay, step in mo! Go, go ka na kayo sa level!
Location toward 46 point for in favor of Locoman. Nerona. Success.
Hey!
Number 20. Pass two. Love it. Rebound by Mr. Moreno. Rebound by.
Baba, baba! Score, score!
Mga tatlo. Mga tatlo.
Pasu, ikot. Lahat sa bola. Uy,
Tatlo. Tatlo. Hindi pa nagmamahal.
Good one. 23 minutes.
Uy, kayo! Ano, ayaw. Nagtitripan ka, oh. Pasok kaya, pagtitripan ka, oh. Ay, tanong mo. Noy, tanong mo dito. Tanong mo. Quarter na yan.
Uy, ikaw na. Huwag ka nang pumasok. Huwag ka nang pumasok. Puta mo, hindi ka nang pumasok. Hawa. Hawa.
Uy, check mo lang muna. Mayaman lang. Ano ka rin? Ano yun? Wala ba? Schedule din?